Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone who owns a VuPoint Solutions PDS-ST415 series portable scanner. That's the PDS-ST415 VP, PDS-ST415 RVP, PDS-ST415 GNVP, or PDS-ST415T VP models. We're talking about the PK Power USB charging cable cord lead. If you've ever lost your original cable, or perhaps it's seen better days, finding a reliable replacement is crucial to keep your scanner powered up and ready to go. This isn't just any generic cable. The PK Power offering comes with some serious credentials that give you peace of mind. First off, it's proudly CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. What does that mean for you? It means this product has met stringent safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and environmental standards. It's been tested by the manufacturer to not only match, but often exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications, ensuring you're getting a high-quality, dependable product. One of the standout features, and something we always look for in power accessories, is the robust protection system built into PK Power products. This cable boasts OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. Let's break that down simply. OVP stands for Overvoltage Output Protection, meaning it safeguards your scanner from receiving too much voltage. OCP is Overcurrent Output Protection, preventing excessive current flow that could damage your device. And SCP is Short Circuit Output Protection, which is vital for preventing electrical hazards in case of a short circuit. These three layers of defense are absolutely critical for the longevity and safety of your valuable portable scanner. The cable itself is a sleek black, designed for both indoor and outdoor usage, making it incredibly versatile whether you're charging at your desk, in a coffee shop, or on the go. It's a male-to-male connector type, ensuring a secure and proper fit for your VuPoint scanner to its power source, whether that's a wall adapter or a computer's USB port. The brand, PKPOWER, clearly focuses on delivering a product that's not just functional, but also safe and durable. And should you ever have a question or need assistance, their after-sale service is commendable, promising a friendly and reliable response within 24 hours. That kind of support adds significant value to your purchase, knowing that the company stands behind its product. So, if you're in the market for a replacement or a spare charging cable for your VuPoint Magic Wand portable scanner, the PK Power USB charging cable cord lead presents itself as an excellent choice. It combines essential safety features, recognized certifications, and dedicated customer support, all wrapped up in a durable and compatible package. It's truly an indispensable item for keeping your portable scanning adventures uninterrupted.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.